Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to configure the blog archive page numbers in WordPress blocksy. Okay, here we have our blog archive. Let's scroll down, and you can see we have our page numbers and the next button. If we wanted to change up how this looks, and if it even appears, let's go ahead and do that by clicking on Customize, and enter the WordPress customizer. Okay, on our preview, let's scroll down and see the page numbers. Let's scroll down over here under post types, and under blog posts, we can scroll down and we can enable or disable pagination here, and you can see the page numbers disappear. Okay, so how do we deal with that? All right, let's enable it because we want to see our other blog posts, of course. Let's click on this arrow, and we have a few types. We have standard, next, and previous. Okay, next page, it won't actually show the page numbers. We can change it to load more. Well, we can change it to see more. And we have infinite scroll. And if we scroll down, we'll see all of our other elements here, and that's it. So let's go back here and change our columns and posts. Let's make it 2, and let us show 4 per page. And you can see we have our infinite scroll there. Let's change it to 3. And you'll see this loaded up. But we can go ahead and return to our pagination options and just change it to load more, and that should appear. And if you clicked on that, it should load more of our articles. And it doesn't really work so much. Well, it works, but not so well on the customizer here in the preview. And it should load. There we go. And once we're happy with that, we can click on Publish to save our changes. We have here our archive again. We have our page numbers. Let's reload it. And you can see it's changed to see more or load more, and you can see it loads more of our articles. So there's how you configure the page numbers, pagination, load more, infinite scroll on your WordPress blocksy blog archive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.